This is the previous year question based on the reasoning. So some direction is given that read the information carefully and answer the related question. So there is some sentences given, around 4 sentences are there, and these are coded into certain code. So we need to first break this code, and based on this code language, we need to solve around 4 to 5 questions. So let's quickly read this question as well. So question number 15 is, what is the code for same? Question number 16 is, if the code of jar is UH, then what is the code for is played? Question number 17 is, what is the code for play? And 18 is, what will be the possible code for game is played? And question number 19 is, which word is coded as UM? Okay, so mainly we need to focus on play, game is played, same, and is played. Okay, so let's read this question and try to solve it. So first read the sentence and try to find, is there any common word or common term? Okay, so play the same game, seen in the play, the jar is seen, the same game played. Okay, so if you observe here, the is common in each sentence. Okay, now let's find out, is there any code is also common? So U is UD, UK, okay, I found UD, and here also UD common, and this is also UD common. Okay, so I can say that the is associated with UD. Okay, so here also the UD, the is associated with UD, and the is for UD. Okay, now I remember that my question said, what is the code for play? Okay, so now focus on the play and read those sentences which has play in common. Okay, so play the same game, seen in the play. Okay, so the already term as UD. So now let's find out, is there any common term for play? So UK is here and UK is here. So we can say that play is associated with UK. Okay, so play is for UK. So let's solve that question. So what is code for play? So UK is for play. Okay, now let's solve for the same. Okay, so read those sentences which has same in common. So play the same game, the same game played. Okay, so here play is for UK, that is for UD. So only US and UD is remaining, which we can use for same game. And here for also same game, we have US and UD. Okay, so here I can say that for same, either we can use UT or US. Okay, so let's read that question as well. So what is the code for same? Okay, so I can either use US or UT. Okay, so is there any UT? Yes, UT. And is there any US? No. So I am sure that for same, we are using UT. Okay, now let's check the another question. So if the code of jar is UH, then what is the code for is played? Okay, here you see the is gone for UD. Same game we can use UT and US. So only UB is remaining. So this is definitely that for played we are using UB. Now is here. Okay, so jar is gone to UH. Now we need UA and UW. So is seen. So let's read sentence number 2 as well, because here seen is common. So seen in the play and the jar is seen. Okay, so is there any common term? So UA is common. So seen is for UA. Now for is we can use UW. Okay, so question number 16 is, what is the code for is played? So is played is UW UB. Okay, so UW UB. So option number D is right answer here. So 15 done, 16 done, 17 also done. Now let's focus on question number 18. So what will be the possible code for game is played? Okay, so just now we have seen that for the same game, either we can use for US or UT. So same is gone for UT. So game is for US. Okay, and for is played we use UW UB. So US UB and UW we can use for game is played. So US UB UW. Okay, so option number D is the right answer. Now question number 19 is, which word is coded as UM? Okay, so let's read the sentence again. Where is the UM? So here you see A is for UD, play is for UK, seen is for US. So in is for UM. So question number 19 is, in is coded as UM.